Alright, so this is the website. It is titled Chemistry in the Periodic Table. There are tabs listed at the top here. This is the home page. There are buttons that are linked, all right here. And then there's information here, and then a little brief information about the American Chemical Society. On the different tabs, they have different things. This first tab is called About Me. It is about myself and contact information to be able to contact me. The second tab is called ACS. It stands for American Chemical Society. It has all the information about the American Chemical Society so that if you do decide you want to donate or be involved with it, you can. This tab has lesson plans. These are two different buttons. They both link up to different pages. This is the first lesson with a link to a screencast. And then the second lesson is listed here, and then the instructions and the assignments are listed here. Then this is the Labs tab. It has information about the projects, and then you can click on Lab 1, and it brings you to opening up a Word document. The Word document then has the whole lab for the students to complete. It is their first lab, so it has to do with the periodic table, and then you can click on that, download that. And then the final tab is called Blogs. It has different buttons that you can click on that lead to the different blogs that are listed. Now going back to the home page, like I said, these are different buttons. So this lessons plan button, you can click on it and it'll take you directly to the lesson plans page. There is also the ACS button, which leads you to the ACS page, and then the Contact Me button. So all these buttons can be clicked on to access different parts of the website. And then, like I said, this is information about the American Chemical Society. It has upcoming meetings listed, it has information, and it has information on how you can donate to the American Chemical Society. And then if you click on this button here, it then shows you once again information about the American Chemical Society.